Welcome back, traders. Today we're introducing Black Crow EA V1.0 MT4, a professional expert advisor developed by YoForex Premium. This EA is built for EURUSD, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD, and is designed to deliver consistent profitability with strong trend and reversal detection. Its flexible structure and smart entry system make it perfect for both new and experienced traders. After downloading the package, open the folder and you'll find the installation instructions, a README file, and the main.ex4 file. Just copy it into your MetaTrader 4 Experts folder, restart your platform, and drag it onto your preferred chart. Within seconds, your Black Crow EA will be ready to start trading. Now let's move on to the back testing results. We tested Black Crow EA V1.0 on GBPUSD M1 timeframe from August to September 2025. The EA completed thousands of simulated trades with a profit factor of 1.44 and a maximum drawdown of just 14.5%. The balance curve clearly shows stable growth with minimal fluctuations, proving how efficiently the EA adapts to changing market conditions. It combines both trend following and reverse trend modes, automatically switching based on volatility and momentum shifts. Each trade is managed by its built-in risk control system to ensure steady equity growth and consistent profit flow, even during unpredictable price movements. To download Black Crow EA V1.0 MT4, join our YoForex Premium Telegram channel today. You'll get access to the full set file, user manual, and live performance updates. Originally priced at $599, this EA is now completely free for all YoForex users. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow YoForex Premium for more EA showcases.